Hey y'all, it's your girl Scarlet and I'm back with another video. I hope you guys are excited because I can't wait to show you this quick, simple 3 to 4 eyeshadow look, and I will be using mostly JUVIAS Place in this little video. Stick around, hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, now getting into the video, I have already moisturized my face and primed it with my ever faithful Hangover Primer FX. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I swear by this primer. I'm also going to make sure that my eyes are ready for my color, and I'm going to put on some concealer, and I'm going to make sure that is compacted with some eyeshadow, or you can use translucent powder just to set up. I've already started by applying my Madagascar color in the crease, as you guys can see, and I'm just doing it to the other eye, blending outward just so that there are no harsh lines. Then we're going to go in with Morocco, and we're also going to put that in the crease of our eyes. We're going to blend down and up and just kind of bring that color a little down into the base part of our eyes. Make sure that orange color really pops. I got this flat brush in my Urban Decay, I think this was their Naked 3 palette, but it's just a flat tip brush. I'm going to go in with my next color and just apply that. When it comes to glitters, I tend to pack on sometimes and then drag it out just to prevent fallout and just so I get as much color as possible. Going back in with Morocco, I am going to kind of blend out my edges just so it doesn't look all choppy and harsh. And this is also going to set the color tone for my last color, which I believe is going to be Kenya. And this is just going to darken the creases a little bit and just add that definition into my look. So my favorite part coming up is going to be doing my lashes, and I tend to do this off camera because I am not yet perfected this as of yet, but I'm trying. So what I do is I put on some eyelash glue and I set my lashes aside for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I make sure they're really tacky before I even place them on. That just helps me because we all have that inner corner that kind of gets really annoying and doesn't stick down, and I find that when you leave it for a little bit longer than what's on the box, it helps you with your lashes. And I'm using regular Ardell lashes. You can use your favorite ones or whichever one you prefer to use here. Now I'm going in with a thin line first just so that I can put on my lashes, and then after I put on my lashes I'm going to thicken the line a little bit and make sure it's more defined. So after coating our lashes, I am going to go into my highlight, and I'm just applying this above my brow bone. I'm going to apply this in my inner corners of my eye, on my nose, and also my Cupid's bow. Alrighty, y'all, we're getting into foundation, and if you guys want to see a separate foundation video, you can comment below and give me a thumbs up. I'll be happy to do that. I am going in with JUVIAS Place, and this is a Real Techniques brush. I will put the shade in the comment section or the description box. I don't have it on me right now. You guys will deal. So for this JUVIAS Place foundation, it goes on really light, and don't let that shock you. It really simmers, or I'm going to use simmer, sets in to your skin complexion once it warms up and you have been wearing it for a little bit. So do not be alarmed. It's kind of a couple shades lighter, and I also did go to Miami and get a tan, so my forehead's a little bit darker, but it will work out in the end. Don't worry, y'all, I got you. Okay, next step is going to be concealer, and I am only applying my concealer down to as far as you guys see. I don't do the whole triangle or whatever effect. I saw this on YouTube, and it really helps me because I have really deep eyes, and when I don't get any sleep, it really shows my hollowness. If I put in concealer all the way across, it really shows up. Whereas this technique, it kind of drags it into the corner and it's not as heavy, so it makes sure, you know, you don't look like a clown. We're getting down to the last bit, y'all. We're going to contour, and I am using a contour stick that I got from Sugar Rush. I don't know if I like it yet. This is my second or third time using it, so in my next video I will be sure to let y'all know. I am also going to set my foundation with a Sugar Rush translucent powder. I just started using it on my regular one. I'm a klutz, y'all, and it went flying. But typically I use Laura Mercier's setting powder, and I swear by that one. But Sugar Rush isn't doing too bad. I find a job right now, and you know, they're cheaper than Laura, so we'll give it what we can. While we wait on our, foundation to set, we're gonna go in with some mascara on our bottom lashes, and I applied like 2 coats, 2 or 3 max. And then I'm going to go in and just brush away all that powder and just blend it into the skin, make sure everything is matte. So I'm going to go in next with some blush, and this is a palette I got from BH Cosmetics. I really don't know if they have this one anymore, you guys, so just apply your favorite blush to your cheeks. And then I am going to apply a highlighter, and this isn't a regular highlighter that I'm going in with next. This is actually just an eyeshadow, but I love the gold highlight. As you guys will see, it goes on beautifully on my skin, and it just kind of blends all the way in. Look at that, look at it. Oh, it makes my heart happy. Next, we're going to move on to lipstick, and I have a lipstick video on Instagram. If you guys are interested in checking it out, it is at Scarlet Maze, just like my name. And I have some other quick little videos there that you guys can check out if you don't have time for the full videos on YouTube. Alright, y'all, looks like we're coming up to the final touches. We're going to apply some all-nighter setting spray. I think everyone swears by this setting spray. It lasts all night. And then look at the final look. Here we have it. It's just a quick, simple, easy 3/4 eyeshadow look with some lashes. Lashes are optional. I just wanted to go a little glam today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stick around for more. Can't wait to see y'all next time. Bye!